Talking Food with Cory Bahr, brought to you by Trenton Appliance Company, Ice Equipment, and Restaurant Supply.
I'm Chef Cory Bahr, and today we're talking one-pan creamy garlic chicken. With this being a creamy garlic one-pan chicken dish, it really lives up to its name. It's super simple. It's something that you can do any weeknight. I'm going to show you how with just a few simple ingredients. We have salt, pepper, heavy cream, butter, parsley, and garlic. I mean, it doesn't get easier than that. So the first thing we're going to do, put a little olive oil on our chicken breast, both sides. I'm going to use a glove. You got some tongs at the house, go for it that way. All the fun stuff right here. Lots of energy in my seasoning techniques, right? So we got a skillet over here that's preheated. I like to use a cast iron for this. Make sure your oil is hot. We're gonna roll right over here to the cast iron. About 4 minutes each side. We'll flip it and you'll just see how easy this dish is. We're gonna manage our heat here. Once I flipped it, I'm gonna turn my heat down to about medium-high. In about another 3 or 4 minutes, we'll be done and finish this dish up. All right, so I'm actually gonna do a little movie magic here. We're gonna take these breasts off and set them aside. I'm gonna hold them warm and I'll show you how to make the sauce. So you can do this with a paper towel. I'm gonna use a kitchen towel here. I'm gonna take my pan off the heat. I'm gonna wipe out the oil, but I'm gonna leave the brown bits that are in there. Put it back on the heat. This is where we're gonna add our butter. And again, we're gonna manage our heat, so we're gonna take it off, just swirl it around to melt. Man, that smells so good. Like kitchen perfume right there. All right, into our butter. Now that it's kind of foamed up like that, we're gonna add our chopped garlic. Move that around. We're gonna add our heavy cream. And see how I'm moving that around to incorporate that? You can do it with a whisk, but I'm just getting a little love right there. Add a pinch of black pepper, pinch of salt, nice and easy. Now, you see how those bubbles are coming together and they look nice and glossy? That's how you know it's ready. It's slightly thickened. See that? How it just sticks to the spoon? So you know it's just right. It takes about 2 minutes. You see how quick that is. Grab our chicken that we've been holding warm. We'll add a little chopped parsley. Adds color and flavor. It's giving these chicken breasts a nice garlic cream bath here. They're looking good. Smells amazing. I'm into it. And again, like I said, I mean, mashed potatoes, pasta, you name it, this goes great with it. You can eat great food in, 20 minutes. I mean, less than 20 minutes. There you go. That's what I'll be having for dinner tonight. We got a little nice basil here, so we're just gonna put it on there. Wow, there you have it. Creamy one-pan garlic chicken.